This 2022 Dutchmen Astoria 3203BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10 and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Dutchmen Astoria 3203BH is 7,768 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.